tweaking my car. Bro, this isn't even with gravity slider, bro. Look at this, I don't even have gravity slider. I have to pay $4 for it, bro. And then I'm over here finding out how to make my own gravity slider. Dude? Like, bro, all I did was just add a few helium blocks here. But not even applied a sensor as well. And I have no idea what's with this. Yeah, I'm still tweaking this. Like, dude, I've tried ropes and, like, springs, but that just won't make the suspension move at all. And ropes just collapse it. So I'm trying to figure out my own suspension here. And it's going quite horribly, as you may see. We need an anchor. Let's place an anchor. Remove the anchor. What the helly? What the helly? What the helly berry? What the helly? What the helly berry? Bro. Did I what? Save and reload. Let's see that. That works. It's just the suspension's kinda working now. I'm adding some more helium at the front here. Hope this works. That did not in fact work. More helium. Yeah, that seems pretty good. Okay, now this thing has become a space rover. We need ballast blocks. Thank goodness I left a big massive open space right here to conveniently put some ballast blocks. Maybe only some. One even. Oh come on, are you kidding me? Wait. Thought I saw I can modify that block. Let's see how this goes. Oh my goodness. Okay, how about with the combined forces of 40? That ain't saving nobody, bro. Alright. I realized to place some ballasts here as well. Might as well copy this and put it on the front wheels. What about combined force of 20? Please work. Okay, we're touching the floor though, which is slightly concerning. But hey, it works. Why is there B-52 there? Oh wait, this is called plane crazy, that's why. Build anything but a plane. That's the reason why this game is called a sandbox, you know. Oh wait, I forgot to enable the engine, just for extra realism. It's still touching the floor, it's like a lowrider. What if I just ignored this, because it's fine right now, and just added a few helium blocks in the center? Yeah, that sounds good. Where are they? Right here. That's center, so we don't want to apply it there, though. Blaze, why is he here? It's doing slightly worse. Fine, what about a combined force of 10? Huh? What about that? Huh? Yeah. You mother. A combined force of 5. It kinda worked. But now we're a space rover. I mean, the car looks nice, I guess. It's kinda good, actually. The wheels are making contact with the floor, which is what I want. Nice suspension. Barely feel anything. Nobody wakes up. Wow. This is life, just driving in a car. You know, it'd be really sad if one of our cars just suddenly detonated. Ah! So I managed to make the back really light for some reason. Instead of removing helium, I'm just placing ballasts. Okay, this car is really nice now. It still touches the floor. Dang it. Wow. Whoa. I can drift this. I think one of our wheels came out of his bearings. You know what, let's go fix it actually. This should work. In fact, it did not work. And the only solution to that issue is we have helium. Great, now the car's touching the floor. Maybe I should put it back. Let's fix something. Yeah, that should be good. Just have to. Nut? What the hell? Do not turn on the engine, bro. Bro. Oh my god. Oh. The plane crashed, okay. What are our wheels coming out the bearing? IDK. This is going pretty well. Let's see what happens if we go into the water. Oh, one of our wheels already just came out of his bearings. Never mind. Okay, never mind. We actually float pretty well. Yeah, so let's just test out the suspension here. Okay, so we seem to have a problem. Okay, never mind. Whenever the car just goes down, it just does a.